Hey guys, welcome back real quick. This video is for a set of rings on a Slingshot for Terrence. He's up in North Georgia, but this is the level 5, so this is 5 rows of LEDs on each ring, and you've got the double LEDs, so it's about 75 LEDs per ring. So pretty bright here. We're gonna one-hand man this, and there we go. So now these are direct bolt-on rings. So these have the 2 caliper bolts right there that you can real easily and very quickly install these. They're a lot easier than the aluminum rings, but they're a little bit more expensive. There's a little bit more manufacturing cost that goes into these. But as you can see, really nice. Brightest you're gonna find available on the market. The best pricing you're gonna find available on the market. I've got a lot faster turnout times than everybody else. Prices are better. Best components available. All these are waterproof. Lifetime warranty on the LEDs. There'll be a link in the video description below to the website for prices and options. If you got any questions, hit me up, let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.